Let's start with a plain Python Fast API application. You can run it, test it, and debug it locally. This gives you the fastest possible dev loop. We now want to transform this application for the cloud. This is where Clotho comes in. All we need to do is add two annotations. One that exposes the web framework to the internet, and the other to define what execution unit it should run as. And that's it. We run Clotho and point it at the project and get a folder called compiled. It has everything you need to deploy, run, and operate this application in the cloud. You can now use standard infrastructure as code tools to deploy the Clotho-powered application to your cloud account. Once the deployment is done, an endpoint is available for us to use. We copy the URL and use it with the previous command, and it just works as expected. We took a plain Python Fast API application and made it a cloud application in 1 minute.